Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to open the YouTube website in Chrome on Android instead of automatically opening the YouTube app. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your Android phone. Now, tap the address bar at the top and type youtube.com. Make sure you type the website address directly instead of searching for YouTube. Then, tap the Enter button on your keyboard. You should now see the YouTube website open directly in Chrome. If your phone keeps opening the YouTube app, don't worry. There's another simple step you can use. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Then, scroll down and look for Desktop Site. Tap on it to enable this option. Chrome will refresh the page, and YouTube will now load in the desktop version right inside your browser. That's it. Now you can use YouTube through Chrome without opening the app. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.